Hello and welcome to the video. Today, I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add CSS code in MailerLite. Getting started is simple, and if you want to follow along, you can find a link in the description below. Use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account quickly. First, click on the Campaigns tab, then select Create Campaign. Choose either regular or custom based on your needs. Fill in all the required campaign details, such as the campaign name, contacts, subject, and any additional information. Once you've completed the campaign details, click Next to proceed. On the next screen, select Start from Scratch, and then choose the Custom HTML Editor option. You can now enter your CSS and HTML code into the editor to design your campaign. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. And thank you for watching our videos. Your support means everything to us.